Hello grade 6 students and welcome to the social studies class. So today we're going to have a new lesson, which is chapter 3, lesson 4 and daily life in Sumer. So the vocabulary word that we have for this lesson is deity. And deity means the gods that Sumerian believed controlled nature. The Sumerian cities were a center for trade, government, and religion. And this area was all around the ziggurat, which is the tall building that the Sumerian built. And also without agriculture, Sumerian cities could not have survived or grown. People in the cities relied on the work of farmers, herders, and fishers who lived in small villages or towns near the cities. Each day, those people they brought meat and fish, grain, and fruit to the city markets. They produced more than enough food for themselves and the growing population in the cities. Also, city dwellers often lived in different parts of the city depending on the kind of the work they did. So, for example, a craft worker set up shop in a part of the city with others who did similar work. And these skills were passed down from one generation to another. So in this picture you can see that the Sumerian people were doing their job and each one has his special job to be done. Now the second thing that we're going to discuss about is government and law in Sumer. So the ruler's palace and the homes of important people were built close to the ziggurat. From the palace, officials governed the city's day-to-day activities, and besides controlling surpluses of food and collecting taxes, the officials settled disputes and took part in making new laws. They also oversaw the building of temples and monuments. For the most part, everyone in Sumer had certain rights under the law. However, to pay for wars fought against other city-states, officials sometimes took away the people's right to their property. And in 2300 BC, the ruler of the city-states of Lagash made some changes. He created laws to prevent the government leaders from taking advantages of the poor people. And about 300 years later, the ruler of Ur made the changes related to that city-state's law, and all of the laws were written in the form if-then statements. He also ordered his 7 laws to be carved into a stone monument for all to see. This informed the people of Ur of both the laws and the punishment for breaking the laws. Today, the monument still exists and it is the oldest known record for ancient laws. So your task for this week is to solve page 28 in your practice book. So you're gonna solve the question 2 only, and you're gonna write a short paragraph imagining that you are an 11-year-old child living in a Sumerian city-state, and you have some questions that will help you to write this paragraph. That's it for now, grade 6, and thank you for watching.